This is, you've got 5 minutes, you know you want to do something, you just don't know what you want to do. So all I'm doing here is grabbing some paint and putting some bands of paint down onto my watercolor paper, using 300 grams cold pressed watercolor paper today, and just letting the colors mix into each other, not worrying about it at all. I just want to get some colour down onto the page and then make a decision once the paint's dried as to where I want to go next. So not making a plan, just going with the flow, enjoying the moment and just letting my mind be free. Just putting down the paint and then I'm going to choose what I want to put down next. I've let the paint dry now and I'm using CSY watercolour paints and they are lush. They have this lovely metallic look to them. They're handmade from Germany. I've used these before and I've also got an unboxing video if you want to catch up on that. That's very interesting. They work very differently on white paper to dark paper. They are so enthralling to watch. Letting that layer dry. Once that's dried, I'm grabbing some pastels. They're in similar colours and I'm just drawing some lines again just across the page wherever I want, letting my hand be free, not thinking too much about it. And then with the heat of my finger I'm just smudging those pastels. It just softens up all the lines so you haven't got any harsh edges, and I really like the way that looks. I'm going to just add some dashes here, again using my finger, the warmth of my finger, to just warm it up and just to soften that look, and adding some yellow dots, well, sort of a mustardy colour yellow dots there, and doing the opposite here with the mustardy colour and then the green on top. Circle shapes I'm doing here and then adding the mustardy colour inside there, pressing again with my finger, warming it up just to soften those edges. So you can see here I'm not really thinking about where I'm putting down these colours. I'm just going with the flow, enjoying the moment and just seeing what happens. I hope you like this. If you like this, maybe you could consider liking and subscribing. Maybe leave a comment. Let me know what you're up to. That would be great to hear from you. Just outlining now the page just to give it a lovely border, and then I'm just going to heat it up with my fingers, just smudging that down just to soften those edges up, and then peeling away the tape to reveal a lovely clean white border. Just frames it really nice. And then I'm going to lift this up and show you all of the lovely patterns on there. You can see the CSY watercolour paints glistening there in the light. They look really lush and I really have enjoyed doing this. So thanks for watching. It's been really great and I really hope to see you again soon. Okay then, have a great day.